Turning methane into value, a new leap in green photocatalysis. Turning methane into high-value chemicals has long been a formidable challenge in catalytic chemistry. Despite its abundance on Earth, methane is chemically inert, making it extremely difficult to convert directly into valuable products like methanol or formaldehyde under mild and efficient conditions. Conventional thermal catalytic methods, which rely on high temperatures and intense reaction environments, often lead to the undesired formation of carbon dioxide due to overoxidation. These processes tend to sacrifice selectivity in pursuit of activity, limiting their industrial viability and environmental sustainability. A team of researchers from the Innovation Academy for Precision Measurement Science and Technology, affiliated with the Chinese Academy of Sciences, has recently proposed a new strategy that overcomes this dilemma. They have designed a novel photocatalyst by anchoring subnanometric clusters of molybdenum oxide, also known as MoOx, onto titanium dioxide nanosheets. This material architecture not only improves the overall activity of methane oxidation under light exposure but, most critically, dramatically enhances selectivity toward oxygenated organic compounds, while effectively suppressing the formation of carbon dioxide. The photocatalyst design intentionally moves away from reliance on noble metals like gold, which although effective, remain prohibitively expensive for large-scale applications. Instead, the research leverages molybdenum, a non-noble and earth-abundant element. The scientists deposited ultra-small MoOx clusters, measuring only 0.6 nanometers on average, across the surface of titanium dioxide nanosheets. These clusters act as highly reactive and selective catalytic sites, making full use of solar-driven photocatalysis to activate the reaction with high precision. Among the key findings, a catalyst with just 0.5% MoOx content demonstrated exceptional performance. It yielded 3.8 millimoles of oxygenated organic compounds per gram of catalyst in just 2 hours of reaction time. Even more remarkably, the selectivity of the reaction approached 100%, meaning that nearly all the methane was converted into useful products without generating carbon dioxide as a byproduct. This level of selectivity is virtually unprecedented in methane photocatalysis. The apparent quantum yield, which indicates the efficiency with which incident photons drive the reaction, reached 13.3% under 365 nanometer light. These figures signal a major leap forward in the development of sustainable and effective photocatalytic systems. Stability is another critical requirement for practical applications, and this catalyst performed exceptionally well over extended periods. During a continuous reaction period of 1,800 minutes, equivalent to 30 hours, the system maintained a selectivity level above 95%, showcasing its durability and consistent performance over time. To understand the underlying mechanism responsible for these impressive results, the research team employed in situ electron paramagnetic resonance and nuclear magnetic resonance techniques. These advanced analytical methods revealed that the MoOx clusters on the catalyst surface engage in a complex interaction with molecular oxygen. The oxygen is activated to form reactive surface species, specifically molybdenum peroxo, MoOO, and molybdenum hydroperoxo, MoOH, complexes. These intermediates play a vital role in weakening and eventually cleaving the strong carbon-hydrogen bonds in methane, leading to the formation of a molybdenum-methylene, MoCH2, intermediate. Importantly, this reaction pathway avoids the formation of aggressive oxidants such as hydroxyl radicals and superoxide radicals, which are often responsible for unwanted overoxidation and carbon dioxide production in other catalytic systems. An additional benefit of the MoOx clusters was observed under illumination. Photo-generated electrons within the system reduce molybdenum atoms to a lower oxidation state. This reduction, when coupled with the presence of water molecules, enables the desorption of newly formed formaldehyde from the catalyst surface. This timely removal of the product prevents further oxidation and degradation, preserving yield and maintaining high selectivity throughout the reaction cycle. The dual role of the MoOx clusters, both in directing the selective oxidation of methane and facilitating the release of valuable products, provides an unprecedented level of control over the reaction. This level of tunability is essential for achieving both high activity and selectivity, a long-standing challenge in the field. The implications of this study extend far beyond a single catalytic system. It opens new avenues for designing cost-effective, non-noble metal photocatalysts capable of converting methane under ambient conditions. This advancement is particularly relevant in the context of global environmental challenges, as methane is a potent greenhouse gas with a much higher global warming potential than carbon dioxide. By converting methane into usable chemicals through solar energy and earth-abundant materials, this technology offers a sustainable alternative to flaring or venting, both of which contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. What this research achieves is not merely a scientific innovation but a realistic and scalable blueprint for green chemistry. It presents a pathway for transforming methane from a problematic emission source into a valuable raw material. The use of molybdenum oxide clusters supported on titanium dioxide nanosheets introduces a new chapter in photocatalytic materials, one where precision in molecular engineering, solar energy utilization, and environmental responsibility align toward a common goal. In this light, the discovery serves as a powerful demonstration of how intelligent catalyst design can address some of the most pressing chemical and environmental challenges of our time. By refining the interactions at the atomic scale, and guiding reaction pathways away from wasteful oxidation, this study offers hope for more efficient, cleaner industrial chemistry. And perhaps most importantly, it helps us reimagine methane, not as a liability, but as an untapped resource that, with the right tools, can drive a more sustainable future.